Hi, Ingrid here from Open Journey. I'd like to show you something. One of the images from the Beautiful 2 kit from the second issue of Beautiful. And I designed the die cuts with this image in mind, so you can actually change who's in the picture and who's admiring the Milky Way, the beautiful view. So I give you a few more options for who you can put in the picture. You can have a mother with a baby, a dad holding a child, other little ones. So, and there is one more, this one. So I like the interactivity of this piece here with the die cut. And this can be like a prayer for your family. Hopefully a prayer so they see all the beauty around them and just let themselves be filled with this beauty and just give thanks to God for all the good things we receive and all the astonishing things that are around us. I'm gonna use this. I'm just gonna glue these pieces down. Here, so I can move the card, because I'm gonna add some blue around that, the same blue that's in the card. Get some blue on the die cut. So I have this blue here from Golden Fluid Acrylics, the Prussian blue hue. I think this is gonna be very close to what I have here. I'm gonna use one of my mark making tools here. They do make beautiful, spontaneous looking marks. I like that I can't fully control it, and not being able to control everything at all times, it's a good thing. I'd like to see adding some different kind of blue. I have tumble glass. I think that's it. Just to tone down that harsh edge over there. I'm gonna rip this both on the bottom and top. Gives you the softer edge. And this is the card from my previous entry, and actually I can use that, can add something there so it's not just a white piece of paper sticking out. And add one of the beautiful tiles here. It's gonna hold my journaling piece in place. I'm gonna continue it on this other page. I love this piece of washi that says prayer and love him. I like to stamp the trust stamp over there, but with blue. Kind of tie everything in together. I like that it has says journey, my journey there. So I wanted that to show. I like that the stamps say 1 omer, just like the quantity of manna the Israelites were supposed to collect in the desert, dose of daily grace. That is all I'm gonna do. Share my ad. Piece of washi there. So I was gonna put one of the leaves on that journaling card that I see the back of. And I love that butterfly over there. And I thought of putting these die cuts over here. And as a prayer, I'm gonna use this verse from 1 Corinthians 2:9. No eye has seen, no ear has heard, and no mind has imagined what God has prepared for those who love Him. I think that's very beautiful. I think this is it for my entry today. Thank you so much. Hope this offered you some inspiration and suggestion on how to use the die cuts with this image. I wanted to add another stamp over here. One omer, but because I want it to stick out, I'm gonna put a similar one on the back to back it up. I'm gonna have it on both sides. Thank you and God bless.